Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on this cute little gingerbread feltie. This one is about 5 inches wide, so I want to make these to put them in my stocking holders. But you can also like use them to decorate your Christmas wreaths. I think that'll be cute. And yeah, okay, let's get started. So I have my hoop in the machine already, and I have a piece of stabilizer. And the first thing it's gonna do is stitch out the outline of the gingerbread. So we're gonna place our first piece of fabric on top. Okay, so now we're going to add our piece of fabric on top, and then it's going to create another stitch to hold it in place. Okay, so the next two steps are going to be the same as what we did here. We're going to be doing this in this dress area and then the bow. So we're going to be adding 2 more pieces of fabric here. That way you save time and thread in the machine. So again, we're going to create the placement stitch. Okay, so we're going to add a piece of fabric here, and I think I'm going to use this fun holographic red. I think that'll be cute. So okay, so I paused the machine and now we're going to cut it around before we go on to the bow area. Okay, so that's all we're gonna do when it comes to like layering the fabric. Now we're gonna let the machine run for a while, and it's gonna embroider all the little details on the gingerbread. Okay, so once the machine is done stitching the left cheek on the gingerbread face, we're going to stop the machine because now we're going to pull out the hoop because we're going to add another piece of fabric on the back, and it's going to stitch connecting the top and bottom piece together. Okay, so we're going to flip it to the back. Okay, so now we're going to you can tape your piece of fabric in place if you want to, or you can use this basting adhesive on there. Okay, so this is how the back should look like as I connected the back and front together. So now let's take it out and cut it out. Okay, so this is how the gingerbread Feltie turned out. So stinking cute. Love it. It's so adorable. If you guys are interested in the applique version, let me know. Basically, the applique wouldn't have the nice finish in the back. I'll definitely create that for you guys. I'm currently working on making the boy version of this, so hopefully have the video up by tomorrow. But yeah, like I said, this would be great if you are making your Christmas tree. Then you could put them on there, stick them on there, and yeah, so cute. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'll link the file down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.